I want to say thanks to my friend Jay Shell and his band Neck Down for being with us this evening. Most of all, I want to say thanks to all you guys for sharing your Friday night with us. I hope we can do this many, many, many more times in the future. We were Panama City bound, 8 hours in the back when blowing with the sun beating down. Making plans to raise some hell, celebrating our senior year. We had a trash bag full of clothes and a suitcase full of beer. We got pulled over by the Alabama State Patrol, but they never found the booze, so they had to let us go. If I could do it again, you know I'd do it the same. Pass out on the beach drinking golden grain, and I'd wake up covered in sand with that bottle in my hand. Then I'd go for a swim and start drinking again. I'd break all the rules, just like I used to do. If I could do it again, yeah. Tennessee. No, I don't remember her name, but I can still see her top pulled down in that belly button ring. We kissed, but I didn't tell, no. I had to keep it hush on the down low. I had a girlfriend back at home and she didn't even know. Also, I felt a little guilty as we dusted off our clothes, but she was wild and she was fine, Lord. Well, devil, I told her, if I could do it again, you know I'd do it the same. With the one-night stands and the drinking games, you know, check out the girls at the club, hooking up whenever I could. Sex on the beach never tasted as good. I break my first love's heart. Forget to hide the fingernail, boy. If I could do it again, I'd get sunburned on a new tattoo, lose my favorite jeans and my tennis shoes, get kicked out of my hotel room, sleep in the truck for a night or two, blow all my money, have to call my dad and work too much just to pay him back, and take bong hits and laugh like hell, flick the police off and get hauled to jail. If I could do it again, I'd do it the same. No one regret, I wouldn't change a thing. Check out the girls at the club, hooking up whenever I could. I wake up covered in sand with that bottle in my hand. Break all the rules, just like I used to do. If I could do it again, how about you? Oh Lord, do it again. If I could do it again, how about you? Oh Lord, do it again. Best friends in a pickup truck with Panama City band.